Hello everyone, how are we doing today? I want to say happy Sunday to you, and I want to thank everyone who celebrated with me yesterday. And I want to pass this message to us today to encourage us. Despite the challenges and all that is going on in the world around us, in our family, in our marriages, in our relationship, in our career, in our businesses. All these are trials. How do you understand these trials? Because many people see these trials as something that brings suffering. Yes, that is why they say, without no suffering, there will be no pressure. So, the way you view these trials will determine how you will triumph over it, because trials of life are what carry the triumph. They are what spice up your life. They add beauty, they add color to your life. Many people you see today, you want to address them, you will address them as Dr. Mrs. or engineer, so and so. So that title was given to them. They attain that title as a result of the trials they go through. So if they don't go for that trial, they don't pass through that stage, they will not be having those titles. So the trials you are passing through today, I want you to see it as something that will bring out beauty in your life. You should be ready to face it. And you should also encourage yourself so that you will be able to get a beautiful life. A life of triumph, victory. Those trials we are talking about, they are what give you the beauty, add beauty to your name. Like Dr. Mrs., Engineer Mrs., Professor, and so on. So trials are just a kind of opposite forces. They are opposite forces of life that will always open you up to opportunities. They open you up to the other levels of life. These other levels of life will only come if you are willing to open up your mind and be ready to face them with patience. Many people, they are not patient enough to go through these trials, and that is why at the middle of the trial they give up and they fail to get that beauty. Because even the Bible tells us, it said blessed are those that endure, because at the end you will attain a crown. So whatever you are going through, I want you to see the end of what we are going through. Make sure you want to get that thing that you go through. So how do you go through those trials? Because I'm just saying this to encourage every one of you. Where I am today, I do not ever expect I will be there. But patience give me the ability, and see the future I have for myself. Give me the motivation to press forward. So what must you do during the trials of your life? You must see them as a stepping stone to your greater heights. So view that trial, view that challenge, view that obstacles you are going through as a stepping stone. So, because at the end, you are going to be honored. You are going to be decorated with beauty. So, trials, they add this beauty to your life. So, be ready to see those trials as a stepping stone. And at the same time, during your trials, need to draw strength from the joy of the Lord, because the Bible said that the joy of the Lord is my strength. So during this trial, sometimes you lose your peace. You will no longer be happy. But despite you going through it, try as much as you can to always be joyful, because the reason why this trial comes sometimes is to steal your joy. So refuse to lose your joy when you are going to these trials. And also at the same time, tell yourself that you must triumph. You must triumph and you must prevail So all these are things that will push you forward. And also make sure that you also draw faith. Believe in whatever you are doing. Do what you are doing because you are happy. You do not need anybody to make you happy. Also, try to make sure that you get an extra strength to keep moving. If you stay in one position, you will remain in that position. But if you decided to move, you keep moving. I want to tell you that nobody can stop you except yourself. You are the only person that can stop yourself from getting to where you are. Every one of us has a destination. So if I should ask, what is your destination? Where do you want to be? Maybe in 5 years' time. So if you know where you are going, you will never stop moving. So I want to drop this word of encouragement for us. So please, let's see these trials. Let's see them as an opportunity to beautify, to add value to ourselves. And during when you are going through it, please don't lose your hope. Don't lose your faith. Always look up to God. Even the trial sometimes can come from your marriage. It can come among your family, your siblings, your colleagues as well. No matter wherever it comes from, but try as much as you can to make sure that you focus on God. Just focus on God and you will see yourself being that person you want to be. So have a blessed week, everyone. And I say thank you to everyone out there. Have a blessed week. And I'll see you again. Remember, this Dynamic Health and Wellness with Juliet is a place we talk about all aspects of our health. So this week, we're going to be discussing about mental health because it's a mental health month. So it's going to be mental health week this week. So let everyone of us participate so now we get more knowledge and awareness and preventive measures we can take to minimize some health issues that may are more men normally encounter. So with the right knowledge, you'll be able to tackle it and live a healthy life. So thank you everyone for joining me. I wish you a blessed week. Have a nice day. Goodbye. I love you all. Bye.